This down here is the index head. This is the variable frequency drive. And the Bridgeport. Alright, this is the index, right? So I'm going to use initial check. This guy here. It's going the wrong way. I think it's got to go down, not up. Maybe. No, because I moved up. did make them closer, so it's about 15 thou off. I think we actually did maybe come down too much. No, I actually had to go back down more. What I didn't do is re-zero. One, there's more, and then not even on the part anymore. Alright, so we're running the dividing gear. Hopefully this is close enough you can see it. So we need 6 of the knobbies, so just go to the number of threads. It's kind of like cutting a gear. So 6, we need the 33 index wheel. We're going to pull it off, but I'm going to show you that. These are the index wheels, and then each of these are going to have numbers on them that run across here. So what that means, I'm on this outer edge here, which I think, I don't know if you can see it, it says 33 over here. And then I've got it's called a spider, this piece here. So it's adjustable in and out, and you can use that to set your number of spaces. So I actually have, so when we're in this hole, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 between the spaces. I just have a Sharpie here in the mill. We're not actually going to turn anything on. Here we're just trying to make sure everything's lined up. Pretty much the center going this way, so I'll go ahead and lock. Just until we touch and lock the quill. So now I can come by like this. And I don't know if that shows up or not, but there's now a black mark on there. So now we want to spin it 6, and then the distance of the spider. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and around to there. And then we'll mark it again. Move the spider. I don't know if you can see that or not. Then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then around to the hole that the spider tells us to go to. I'll move the table back. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is basically the same thing we'll be doing when we're actually. Alright, let's see if we can go around and check on the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Table, we go directly over our previous line. Alright, so like I said, that makes sure that we are directly where we're supposed to be. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is, I didn't care so much about being in the dead center when I was just running through the marks, but now that we're actually going to do a cut, we want to make sure our tool is going to be in the dead center of this guy here. So this guy here is actually a center finder. So what it's going to do is it'll be all wobbly at first. And I'm going to bring it down here. I'm just going to touch it right here. And as soon as you get where it touches, it'll actually kick off to one side. And that way I'll know that it's right on the edge of the part. Then I can bring it up, come over to I can zero the DRO. So we'll know that this is a 0 reference point. And bring the part up, or bring the tool up, over and down, and then do the same thing, touch on this side. I'll see what the DRO reads, cut that in half, come up, move over to the halfway point, and then I'll know I'm on the dead center of the axis of this. See it on the other side here. So I zeroed out the DRO, so I know that side is going to be on 0. And I'll come over to this side. Watch the little wiggler here. I'll back this up. A little bit wiggly right now. Really smooth, and then there. It's over. On the y-axis, we're at 19482. If I cut this in half, so I'll cut this in half and know that the head is, or the quill is directly on the center. So half of 194 is going to be 185, 187, 1874, or 874, sorry, 874. Is that right? 974. Not right, am I? Yeah. Just pretty much, well, exactly on center. So now you go ahead and put the cutting bit back in. Alright, so I'm actually going to move the table up. About there. Come down and touch off. Alright, and then go ahead and take a cut. See if I can get a little better lighting. Alright, I don't know if anybody actually caught it. From the camera's view, it's probably actually more easy to see, but I actually ended up off by a significant amount. I'm going to see if we can recover from this, but it's not looking too good, at least especially for this one here. This one's a maybe. These two I can probably recover, but I just spent about 30 minutes, 30 minutes quitting and swearing for a while, and then another 30 to 45 minutes down here going over, trying to figure out exactly what happened, what went wrong. So I think, you know, when I put this on here, we indicated here, made sure it was centered in the 3-jaw chuck. We came down here and indicated here, made sure it was concentric, which is, you know, I'm in the center hole here, so that was, there wasn't anything to do. Then we came in and went across the tops to make sure we were perfect this way. The one that we missed, well, I missed, but you guys didn't tell me. So next time somebody let me know I'm doing it wrong. We didn't actually go this way. So what I ended up doing is spent the last several minutes similar to what we did on the top, but going along the side here, and then just tapping this with the hammer enough and getting it, you know, back and forth until my arm's about to fall off from cranking the x-axis back and forth. But now it's within about a thou across all of these guys here. So hopefully this doesn't get screwed up.